ChargePoint stock has made a new low today, October 3rd. And so in this video, we can show a real life example on how to avoid a bull trap to become profitable. So as you may know, if you've been following this channel and subscribed, you can remember that last week, September 25, on this day, we made a video, published it, showed everybody the data that we were using to trade ChargePoint. And this data allowed us to confirm whether this was the bottom for ChargePoint stock, because on this day, September 25, this was also a new low on that day, just like today we are having a new 52-week low. And so this was in fact not the bottom, nor was this the bottom, because this day, this green day, was actually a bull trap where people started to buy into the stock thinking that it would go up. And as you can see, these traders that bought in are now in a trap because now they are suffering major losses. You can see that since we made that video on September 25, the stock has now gone down about 12.21%, and our options trade is now very profitable because, as you know, we shorted the stock with this strategy here, this vertical put spread, where we paid $28 for each trade, is now profitable by $34.54, as you can see here. And what is that? $34.54 divided by the initial cost, 28 is what we invested, times 100 for a percentage. We made 123% so far on this short bearish position that we got into based on the data on September 25. And so if you are interested in how we got into this position, how we analyze the data to avoid the bull trap, to become profitable, we'll put a link at the top here if you have info cards turned on, and also at the end of the video. It is very important to follow the data and not the false signals like this, because this is something that makes a lot of people lose money in the stock market. Okay, these are false signals. Sometimes they're technical indicators or signals where you may think that this is a bottom, it's oversold now, and you buy into it. And so that's why a lot of times the technical analysis does not work. They fail in predicting stock price movements. And that is why we use the data on unusual options activity that has been a lot more profitable and able to beat the market. And so this is what we look at, the option time and sales tape. You can see today also 49,000 put options being traded right here for October 6th, 3 days away. This is our position that we got into on September 25. You can see the 4.5 strikes today with 81,000 volume. So you need to be able to understand how this data can be analyzed to predict the stock price movements on what the wealthy traders are doing with their money, because we know that the wealthy traders that have a lot more capital and resources have a lot more knowledge as to what will happen to stock price movements, and that's how we can beat the market. And so if you are interested in other stocks as well, where we share the data on trades valued over $1 million, because those are a lot more predictive, and we can profit from all this information, publicly available data, but you have to understand how to analyze it. And then we share that data with our members in our membership program. If you join us, you get access to exclusive videos on stocks, so you don't fall for these traps. Okay? There's bear traps, there's bull traps. A lot of this is because of the inaccuracy of technical analyses. All right, and so the market makers take advantage of people doing that. And so the wealthy traders, they don't get taken advantage of. And so we want to follow the data from the wealthy investors to become profitable just like how they are. All right, so click the join button on our channel homepage to learn more on how you can join our membership to start beating the market. And make sure to watch that September 25 video. We'll put a link here so you can see this play out and how it all worked. All right. Take care, everybody, and good luck in the markets.